Hey guys, Daylight Zombie Slayer here, back with another Minecraft video. Today I am making a tutorial on a little buggy truck for the airport. I recently toured this place, it's not finished, still a lot to do here. Most of it's already done, but anyways, today we are making a tutorial on this thing right here. Just carries around your luggage and drops it off into the plane. Obviously, still need to make the thing that brings it into the plane, the little conveyor thing. So anyways, what you're gonna need is some bedrock. This is for the front where the engine / grill is. Then some black concrete, light grey concrete. What else do we need? Oh, yep. Black stained glass pane and the block. Some grey carpet. And... oh yeah, and site slabs. And just a dog hook fence as well. So what you're gonna do is place one right here and one right here. This is gonna be the front, of course. Then just filling around it like this. It's very simple, this video. It's not gonna be too long. Anyways, build up two here and two here, then bring out like this and up like that. Then put your blocks right here, there and there, and then get your bedrock out and place the block right there. And I just forgot to get the string out because we're going to need that to place right here. Now we're going to get grey carpet and fill it in for the roof. There we go, and then just place the fence gate right there, and then do this again. So, yep, that's how you want that part to be. Gap right there, two, then a gap right there. And fill it in with the black concrete for the wheels. Now what you're going to want to do is go up two there, one on the wheels right there, and then two right here again, and then get your black stained glass and just place it on the edges right here. Now what you want to do, I can't talk. Now what you're going to want to do is place a bunch of string so it can hold up the roof. And just place all this on top. There you go, there's the first trolley. Now we're going to do the second one. Just bring it out by two right there. Place your dog fence gate right there. Make sure I've done that right there. So, yep. Just fill it in like this again. Now, fill in all the gaps with black concrete for the wheels. And go up here, cover the wheels. Get the black stained glass block. And then get the string out again. And now just place down the roof for the truck. Now what you're going to want to do is get birch button, acacia button and the normal stone button. The stone button is for all the rims, so just place them right on the wheels. Now get your acacia button, this is going to be the tail lights. Just place it right there. Then get the birch button for the headlights, which will be right there. And there you have it, there's the airport buggy tutorial. If you want to place some chests to look like luggage, I've put barrels and chests. If you don't want them to connect, then use trap chests as well. And there you have it. There's the tutorial for airport buggy. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.